Hi, and welcome to another Hopper on 6502 video. Hopper is a modern semicolon curly brace language designed to run on small devices like 8-bit CPUs. And this is a playlist on how to get it up and running on your 6502 on a 8-bit Force Retro Shield. This video is about installing the Hopper runtime for Windows on your Windows desktop so you can develop using the Hopper development environment. There'll be a link in the description to the releases, Hopper releases. Anyway, so I'm not going to talk about the device today. I'm just going to talk about getting up and running on Windows. So let's hide it away. Okay, so you go to the releases page for Hopper on GitHub. And under the releases, the easiest way to get going is the zip file. So you're going to download this zip file. And you're going to get a warning that says it's a suspicious download. And this is because I've got an executable in there that's not signed. So let's have a look at that. So I'm going to say download the suspicious file. Carry on. And it's done. There's my download. So let's open that zip file. Here we go. And I'm just going to unzip it into my D drive. I've already got a Hopper folder there, but it'll just overwrite it. Let's do that. Here we go. Not much of an install. I should get a certificate to sign the executable and make that nasty warning go away. You get to see it a second time. The first time you try to run the Hopper runtime on Windows, but you only see it once. Once you accept it, it goes away. There we go. So we can close our zip file. So now we've got a Hopper folder, and under the bin folder, there's something called hoppernet.exe, and that's because it's written in Microsoft .NET C#. So this is the Hopper runtime on Windows. So let's run that, and I expect to get a warning. Yes, it says I downloaded from the nasty internet because I don't have a certificate to sign it, and we'll run it anyway. And there we go. That's our Hopper environment up and running on Windows. Not much to it. So can we hello world here a little bit? Yeah, we can. So if we go to source, samples, what's in the samples folder? A couple of things in the samples folder. There's a prime number program. It's the old, we can have a look at that. Let's see what that's like. And it looks like it's set up to actually run on Windows, no serial console. So this is the Byte Magazine benchmark from 1984. Anyway, we've got all sorts of shortcuts in our development environment, like F7 to build. And at the bottom of the screen tells you what's going on, generating, etc. So it's built it. And if I exit from there again, so I've got lots of shortcut keys I'm using. They're always on the menus. And now if I run the benchmark, it should just run. There we go. So it did 10 iterations in 5 seconds. And let's just enlarge that a little bit. Calculated pi to, not to calculate pi. In the first 8,000, it found 1,800 prime numbers. Yeah. Anyway, so that's the compiler and toolchain for just writing code on Windows. So you could just go write a new program, hello HS. Oh, it's already got a hello HS. Let's get rid of that. And normally when you write a program in Hopper, you include system, and we're going to include screen as well. And we're going to include keyboard. And then we're going to go print line, just create a blank line first, and then we'll print on the next line. Oh, we'll print another line. And hello Hopper. Now, if I build that, offers me prompt to save. I say yes, pre-processing, compiling, generating code. And so I can also say I want to run the optimizer. Don't bother prompting me to save when I want to build, and run the disassembler. So we build it again, pre-processing at the bottom of the screen, optimizing this time, generating, there we go. And now if I run this, which I go here, Control F5 to run, it's not going to be very impressive. Nothing, it looks like nothing happened, right? Oh, the screen sort of flashes. And that's because it ran and then finished and came back. So if we say here, key, okay, this is why I included the keyboard, read key, and we do that, build it again, pre-processing, compiling. If you get an error, if you make a typo, let's say we made a typo, pre-processing, compiling, then we get the error message that tells us where at the bottom of the screen here. And you always just double click on things and there you go, you've got your error message, get rid of it. And if I right click on that, it'll take me to the definition. Do I want to save this file? Yes, I made a change. There's the definition, and then I can control backspace. There's lots of ways of navigating around. All right, let's build that again. Pre-processing, compiling, optimizing, generating code. All right, and now if we run this again, it'll pause because it's waiting for me to hit a key. There you go. That's how you get Hopper, the Hopper development environment, up and running on Windows. In the next video, I will demonstrate, let's do that. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to get it up and running on one of these boards. Moving on from this one, assuming you've got it installed on Windows. Thank you for watching.